Hi, we're headed to our Fairmount whole house remodel, and today we're going to be looking at tile progress as well as our plaster stair walls. We're working on curves now. So if you saw in our previous video, we drywalled all the straight parts. As you can see now, they're putting a rough coat of plaster on the curves. Tiles starting to go in. This blue coating is a paint-on rubberized product that we put on the tubs to protect them. You can see here he's peeled it back at the edge where he's installing the tile. That protects the tub. Neat detail we have here is this arch, which mimics the shape of the arch we have in other places in the house. What you're looking at here are the backs of these zealage tiles. You can see they're quite rough and raw, but on the face, you've got this shiny glaze. The surface of this, you'll see, is also quite irregular. We've got little pock marks there. And the challenge is that if you don't notice them, grout will fill those spots and stand out. So it takes a lot of care to work with this tile because they're irregular. They chip these sides by hand. And so when you get to setting them, we're not able to space them evenly. It's done by eye. And so you get that handmade look, but it's a labor-intensive process. More tile in the guest bath. Niche is wrapping up.